I adjusted my valves the other day and notice now when I start the vehicle, I hear sometimes it's an intermittent clicking sound coming from the engine compartment. It seems to go away once the car gets warmed up, but I'll see if I can record it. Wow, it's so subtle. I don't even know if the phone will pick it up, but it's just an intermittent clicking sound. And I was very thorough about measuring the intake and exhaust on the valves when I adjusted them, and I know I didn't make a mistake in the gap that I put, the gap that I measured with the feeler gauges. But anyway, thanks for watching.